Anti-Semitism, a prejudice as old as history itself, continues to rear its ugly head in modern times, with troubling manifestations in the United States specifically. In recent months, the Israel-Hamas conflict had sparked a surge in anti-Semitic incidents across the country, prompting concerns and condemnation from various quarters. We will go in depth into this growing disturbing trend. Stay tuned with Biden News till the last to understand it better. The United States is grappling with the surge of anti-Semitism fueled by ongoing tensions surrounding the Israel-Hamas conflict and recent incidents on college campuses. At the forefront of the issue is Columbia University, where pro-Palestinian demonstrators have been protesting for 5 days, demanding the severance of financial ties with Israel, key US ally. In historic move, US President Joe Biden had spoken onto against anti-Semitism on college campuses, condemning recent incidents of harassment and calls for violence against Jews. Ahead of the Jewish holiday of Passover, President Biden emphasized that such latent anti-Semitism has no place in our country. The cultural debate in the US has intensified since Hamas attacked Israel on October 7th, and the whole world has divided into two parts. One is on the side of the Israeli cause, and the other is on the side of the Palestinian cause. The war has escalated since then, with many students' pro-Palestinian stances being accused of anti-Semitism. Several universities, including Harvard and the University of Pennsylvania, have faced growing episodes of anti-Semitic rhetoric and actions. At Columbia University, safety concerns led a rabbi associated with an Orthodox Jewish student organization to advise Jewish students to go home. However, another Jewish organization, Hillel, urged students to remain on campus while advocating for increased safety measures. During a pro-Israel counter-protest at Columbia's landmark, the Sundial instances of anti-Semitism were reported, further escalating tensions. The situation reached a boiling point when 108 protesters were arrested, prompting condemnation from New York Mayor Eric Adams. The situation at Columbia University is emblematic of wider scrutiny facing college campuses or issues of anti-Semitism. Harvard University's president recently resigned amid concerns over similar issues, signaling a broader reckoning and this age-old bigotry. As the United States grapples with this scourge of anti-Semitism, we must stand united against hate and intolerance. Regardless of our political beliefs or affiliations, we must affirm our commitment to a society that embraces diversity, inclusion, and respect for all.